Welcome back everyone. Today I'm going to show you that how you can use VMware Workstation very easily. Okay, so how we can do that? Okay, first of all, if you do not have installed VMware Workstation, you can install the VMware Workstation. I have already make a video, so I will provide the link in description and you can check the I button. Okay, and let's open the VMware Workstation. Okay, so just double click on it and wait. Okay, now you can see I have installed the VMware Workstation, and the first look you can see here. Okay, so you can create machine from here, and also you can create machine from here. Okay, so there are some options here. Open a machine, you can open directly a machine in a new window. Okay, and connect to the server. Okay, so also you can see I have created one machine here. Okay, this machine. Okay, this is a window 10 machine I have already created. How I created, I have already make a video. I'll mention in the I button, and you can check in the description. Okay, so if you want to create a new machine, you have to just click on new virtual machine. Okay, first option, go to edit and click the new virtual machine, and the machine will going to, and how you can create a virtual machine here, and this video also I have created. Okay, so let me show you the little bit about it. Okay, just click on new virtual machine and go to typical and select I will install it later, and select the operating system and go to the default path, just like that. Okay, so it's a long term process, so you can check my another video. Okay, so let me show you here. Okay, you can see if you right click here, you can see some options. Here we have settings, manage, snapshot, power, remove, open VM directory. Okay, then rename and mark as favorite and close up. Okay, so you can see we have option up, power option. Okay, you can start the machine, you can shut down the machine. If it already started, okay, you can restart and power on, power off. Okay, also you can open the settings here, click on here and it will open here settings. Okay, and also you can go to the edit virtual machine setting. Okay, you can edit the virtual machine setting from here. You can customize the RAM from here, you can customize the processor from here, and also you can customize the hard disk. You want to expand the hard disk, you can expand from here, and also if you want to choose another ISO, you can add from here. Okay, also if you want to manage your bridge kind network, if your VM already pick up another type of network, you can just bridge it. Okay, when you click bridge it, it will connect your local network. Okay, and also there are some other settings here. Also you can go to the option here, you can change the rename, you can rename it, and you can see there are lots of options. Okay, so these kind of option you have to explore one by one if you don't have time, so you can explore there are lots of option. Okay, so the mainly option are the turn off, turn on, and one more thing that I want to show you, that snapshot. Okay, how you can take a snapshot just like a copy of image. Okay, if you click a copy, okay, take a snapshot, it will take the dedicated at a time, at the moment, the what is the machine configuration. Okay, and it will save the machine configuration, then it will restore the machine configuration whenever you want. Okay, in this machine. Okay, so this one, and also there one more option that last but not least. Okay, you can see the manage option here, and you can see there are lots of options, and this one is a clone. Okay, when you create a clone of a machine, you create a dedicated whole machine. Okay, the same configuration. Okay, when you create clone, just click it and it will create the clone. Okay, so how you can create the clone, I will mention the another video. Okay, so Don't worry, I'll use the description link, okay, and I also mention the description links in the description, okay. So I will use, and if you want to click and next and just create the clone, okay. So that's it for today, and I'll see you in the next time, okay. And thank you for being here. I'll see you in the next video, and if you like this video, please subscribe this channel and press the bell icon. Bye bye.